Welcome to Automation course module. Friends, we all know that today's automation is on boom and it has become a primary requirement to everyone who is in IT industry to learn some automation skills like Ansible, Chef, Puppet, Perl, shell scripting, etc. And to retain ourselves in IT industry, we have to enhance our skills. And some automation skill is must to be added on your CV. So friends, this course module is basically designed to learn how to create an automation tool which can be used to automate day to day various Unix tasks. And this tool is basically built with shell scripting and Ansible and little bit about Python. So the idea behind this automation tool is everyone who is in already in IT industry or who is recently joined in IT industry, they must aware that there are a lot of tasks which we do it manually, like user creation, password reset, health check statistics, any faulty disk status. There are a lot of tasks which we do it manually. So I have picked those tasks, and on the basis of those tasks I have created this automation tool. So we can use this automation tool to automate our various Unix tasks, and this tool can make Unix administrator work easy, efficient and fast. It provides great ability to server admin to reduce manual efforts significantly. This tool comprises of various scripts like shell scripting, Ansible, Python, etc. And this tool works over SSH. So this is the basic idea about this tool. So friends, we all know that in any organization there are a lot of works which we have to do it manually. So friends, here in this course module we would be learning how to create our own automation tool. So I assume that you guys have some basic idea about shell scripting and Ansible, because I would be using shell scripting and Ansible to create this automation tool. This tool is compatible with various operating systems like all flavor of Linux, HPUX and Solaris. So this tool can, you know, used for various operating systems. Your clients could be anything, like it could be Linux, it could be HPUX, Solaris, it doesn't matter. There are multiple scripts are working in behind of this tool to make an easygoing and valuable results. So there are a lot of multiple scripts they are running on behind of this tool. So friends, we would be learning all those things. The multiple scripts I am saying, it means we are going to create each and everything in this course module. The concept of this automation tool. So we have to understand this first. What is basically the concept of this automation tool? This tool is using various shell scripting, around 40 to 60 scripts, shell scripts are there, and which can be integrated with Ansible to make it fully automated. So what I have done here, I have just used your shell scripting with Ansible to make it fully automated. Ansible is a radically simple IT automation platform which makes your application and system easier to deploy. I believe everybody is aware of Ansible. And guys, if you doesn't have any idea about Ansible, so better I would suggest you can go through my another course module, that is automation with Ansible, so that you should have at least basic idea about Ansible. The concept of this tool. So the concept of this tool is we should have a jump server. Jump server is a server in any organization from where all your client machine, or you can say all your machine or servers are connected. Whether it could be your client, could be your Linux, HPUX, Solaris, JIT Linux, doesn't matter. But from jump servers, there should be a proper communication, and that should be based on SSH and port 22. SSH works on, secure shell works on port 22. So this is, you can say, a minimum requirement for this tool. I should have a jump server, and on jump servers SSH should be enabled, Ansible should be there, shell scripting and Python, and all your client should be accessible via SSH. So this is the concept of this automation tool. So friend, that's all for this session. So we have got an idea about this automation tool. So if you have time, please join with me in the next session. We would be understanding what all we can do with this tool. Thanks for watching.